Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go Season 2. Now in Season 1 we focus mostly on personal development, how to improve your capabilities through the use of S-curves chaining, the ability to understand yourself through MBTI, and also lastly to focus on the SWOT analyses. Now in Season 2 we're going to be focusing on team dynamics and how to interact with others and how to be really an effective leader. And I think in order to be an effective leader you need three aspects to focus on. One is the journey of the leader, personal journey, which I call the hero's journey. And it's the journey from the what to the how to the why, because every leader needs to understand what to do, to be sharing and understanding how to do it, but ultimately why they're doing what they're doing. Once you understand that why, you'll know how to do the how and the what, and ultimately an understanding of that will provide a vision for the future of your team. Secondly, you need to learn how to be an effective leader, how to be able to communicate effectively, how to be able to share these techniques to others. And lastly, every leader without a team is not a leader. You need to have a team that follows and are able to then be harnessed by the leader to do things that are incredible, that cannot be replicated without that leader. This synergistic symbiosis is a crucial aspect. So not only are we going to understand the journey of the leader, we're going to understand how to be an effective leader, but also ultimately how to develop teams that are led well as create leaders in and of themselves to create a new beneficial ecosystem of leadership development. Because we need more leaders within our organizations. We need more leaders inside our world. So looking forward to this series, and throughout these series to be able to share and to hear insights from other leaders from our industry on how to do these things right. So I'm looking forward to this journey, and until next time, bye.